Oh, he wants to go down. You gotta be kidding me. He's already learned how to go down?
Well, we were working on it the other day, but I didn't think he understood it.
Yay! Good boy. Come on, keep coming. You're okay.
You wanna come up again? Yay! Come here! Come on! That's so good! Yay, Ian! Alright! That is so good! Come on, buddy, you're almost there! Come on, buddy! You're almost there! Come on, buddy, you're almost there! Wow!
Big boy.
You are a big boy. Yay!